Welcome to Lesson 2 in our series of lessons covering scales played in sixths for the ABRSM Grade 8 syllabus. In this lesson, we're going to cover those Group 1 scales which feature on the syllabus, A major and harmonic minor, and C major and harmonic minor. The printable support material for this lesson also covers the major and harmonic minor scales of E, G, and D. These scales are quite straightforward and use only the following code words: group of 3, in other words, 3, 2 and 1 in one hand and 1, 2 and 3 in the other, and fours, which means play the fourth fingers in both hands. Here's the upward script for Group 1 scales in sixths, played over 2 octaves. And the downwards journey is the same, but backwards. Let's start with A major. A major starts with a group of threes on C sharp, and white pincers. Group of 3 upwards, group of 3 downwards. The first group of 3 is followed by another group of 3. Notice it's black, black, white in the left hand, white, white, black in the right hand. So group of 3, both fours together on B and G sharp. Group of 3, both fours together, and pom, 3 and 5 at the top. Fours together on the way down. Group of 3, fours, group of 3, group of 3. Group of 3, fours, group of 3, fours, pom, fours, group of 3, fours, group of 3, group of 3. A minor starts with A to C in the right hand, 1, 2, 3, C to E in the left hand, group of 3. The next group of 3, remembering to sharpen the G in the left hand. Group of 3, downwards, group of 3, And now to finish off the octave, group of 3, fours, B and G sharp. Group of 3, fours. And the top note pom, 3 and 5. Back downwards, fours. Group of 3, fours. Group of 3, Group of 3, fours, group of 3, fours, pom, fours, group of 3, fours, group of 3. C minor starts with 1, 2, 3 on C, D, E flat in the right hand, and 3, 2, 1 E flat F G. Group of 3. Group of 3 followed by another group of 3. Notice it has black 3s there. So you have black 3s in this group of 3. And then another group of 3. 3s are black. And then 4s are white. Group of 3 with black 3s. Group of 3 with black 3s. 4s. Group of 3. Group of 3. 4s. Pom 3 and 5. 4s. Group of 3. Group of 3. 4s. Group of 3. Group of 3. Group of 3. Group of 3. 4s. Group of 3. Group of 3. 4s. Pom. 4s. Group of 3. Group of 3. 4s. Group of 3. Group of 3. Obviously, being a Group 1 scale, it follows that C major can use the same script. But it is just as acceptable to use the very obvious fingering pattern which you may already have discovered for yourselves, the fingering for C major in octaves. So here it is in both versions. C major with the system fingering, group of 3 E to G in one hand and C to E in the other. Group of 3, 4s. Group of 3, 4s, pom. 4s, group of 3, 4s. Group of 3, 3. Group of 3, 4s. Group of 3, 4s, pom. 4s. Group of 3, 4s. Group of 3, 3. The alternative fingering, starting with 5 and 1. Pom pom, 3 pincers, 3, 4 and 4. 3 pincers, 3. Pom pom pom, 3 pincers, 3, 4 and 4. 3 pincers, 3. Pom pom. Pom pom, 3 pincers, 3, 4 and 4. 3 pincers, 3. Pom pom pom. 3 pincers, 3, 4 and 4. 3 pincers, 3. Pom pom. The choice as regards which fingering for C major is yours to make. If this scale appears within a piece of music, probably 9 times out of 10 you'll use the obvious fingering rather than the systematic fingering. The remaining scales in Group 1 ought to be played using the script for A major and minor and C minor, and you'll find these on the printable support material. But if you suspect there may be other equally workable patterns, especially for G major and A minor, where there's only one black key per octave, then you're probably right and may well want to go looking for them. Hint: think about the fingering for B major in octaves. However, the recommended patterns given in the support material will stand you in good stead. See you in Lesson 3, where we will look at the Group 2 scales on the syllabus.